फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। हम अपने वीडियोस में आपको इन्फॉर्म करते हैं अबाउट पर्सनल फिनांस, इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, financial freedom, and most important, money saving tips. Today we will talk about medical insurance. After you start earning, the first two things you have to do is one, make a contingency fund and invest it in a safe option like fixed deposit so that you can use it whenever required. Second, you must take a suitable medical insurance policy. Now, buying a medical insurance policy is a big subject. There are some 22 features which you have to look into. आपको इन 22 फीचर्स में आपको देखना है कि कौन सा आपके लिए सूटेबल है. माइंड इट, विद ऑल दीज फीचर्स योर प्रीमियम और द कॉस्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज गोइंग टू गो अप. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. सबसे पहले आपको जानना है कि ये फीचर्स हैं क्या. फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वीडियो we'll talk about the most important features which you must consider before buying a medical insurance for you and your family. Now these features you must understand और आपको ये भी देखना है कि क्या आपको इसकी ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि इससे आपका प्रीमियम बढ़ सकता है या कम हो सकता है. Before we start, you must understand that buying a health insurance policy is a wealth protector. What do I mean by this? If you don't have a health insurance policy और कल अगर आपको किसी वजह से हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होना पड़े, आज एवरी ट्रीटमेंट इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. अगर आपके पास मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी नहीं है तो आपको हॉस्पिटल का बिल पे करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम योर अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. और इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस इज़ अ वेल्थ प्रोटेक्टर. नाउ कमिंग टू द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स विच यू मस्ट कंसिडर, उसके बारे में ये बता दूं कि कॉल सेंटर एडवाइस इज नॉट इनफ. यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड ईच फीचर एंड यू मस्ट कंपेयर दीज फीचर्स and then only you should take a decision. Here we come to help you. There is one more reason why you must take a medical insurance, and this is something very few people know about it. Suppose a person goes to a hospital for a treatment without a medical insurance policy, and another person goes to the same hospital for the same treatment with a medical insurance policy. Now what do you think? The bill generated by the hospital will be same for these two individuals? No. Hospital will charge more to the person who is not having any medical insurance policy. Now why this happens? This happens because the medical insurance companies are big companies and they negotiate well with the hospital, and this is why you going without a medical policy will be charged more. Friends, जैसा कि मैंने आपको वीडियो के बिगनिंग में बताया था कि there are about 22 features which you must consider when buying a medical insurance policy, out of which today we will discuss the most important features which will help you to decide, and for others we'll make another video which will come subsequently. So the topics we want to cover today is what is multiple पॉलिसी, शुड यू हैव वन पॉलिसी और मेनी पॉलिसीज. नंबर 2, क्या आप कंपनी ग्रुप पॉलिसीज आपको लेना चाहिए, और अगर आपके पास कंपनी ग्रुप पॉलिसी है तो इंडिविजुअल पॉलिसी होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. तीसरा, इंडिविजुअल पॉलिसी और यू शुड गो फॉर फैमिली फ्लोटर पॉलिसी. एंड लास्ट, आपका सम इंश्योर्ड कितना होना चाहिए. कहने का मतलब आपको कितने लाख की या कितने वैल्यू की पॉलिसी लेनी चाहिए, इसे हम कहते हैं सम इंश्योर्ड. तो सबसे पहले, शुड यू टेक मल्टीपल पॉलिसी, और मल्टी पॉलिसीज कैसे काम करते हैं. सपोज एन इंडिविजुअल हैज 2 पॉलिसीज एंड ईच पॉलिसी सम इंश्योर्ड कंबाइंड is 5 lakhs and the treatment cost is 5 lakhs. Now the first policy will cover, suppose the sum insured of first policy is only 3 lakhs and the bill of the hospital is 5 lakhs. Now the first policy will cover only up to 3 lakhs. The remaining 2 lakh will be covered by the second policy. So an individual can take multiple policies which will cover the total medical bill. Now एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा कि एक एक्सपेंस एक बार ही क्लेम हो सकता है. Either you claim from your first policy or the सेकेंड पॉलिसी। मल्टीपल पॉलिसी इसलिए होता है कि अगर हॉस्पिटल का बिल आपकी लिमिट को क्रॉस कर जाता है तो सेकेंड पॉलिसी कैन बी ऑफ योर हेल्प। दूसरी टॉपिक है कि इफ़ योर कंपनी इज ऑफरिंग यू अ ग्रुप पॉलिसी देन शुड यू हैव एन इंडिविजुअल पॉलिसी और नॉट। इट इज़ ऑलवेज एडवाइज्ड दैट कंपनी के ग्रुप पॉलिसी के एडिशन में यू मस्ट हैव एन इंडिविजुअल health insurance policy. The logic is like this, that after retirement your company policy will cease to cover your expenses, और उस समय आपकी एज 60 के ऊपर अगर है तो very few companies will give you medical insurance at that time. It is always better to have an individual policy in addition to your company group policy. दूसरी बात यह है कि at older age, if you want to buy a medical insurance policy, it is going to be very expensive. Now the third topic is, should you go for individual policy or a family floater? Now what is family floater? Let me explain by an example. Suppose you take a family floater policy of sum assured 5 lakhs and there are 4 in the family. Now in all likelihood all 4 family members will not need this insurance every year. So if one person falls sick and he goes to a hospital for a treatment, full 5 lakh will be reimbursed for the treatment of that individual. So this is why it is always better to have a family floater policy and it is going to be cheaper also. But यहाँ ध्यान देने की बात ये है कि if you want to cover your aged parents, then you should buy a separate policy for them. Because at that age, if you include them also in the same policy, the premium will go significantly high. So it's a money saving tip that you should keep your parents, aged parents, for example they may be 65 or 70-year-old, you should keep them separate and buy a separate policy for them. Lastly, the most important question which everybody asks is, पॉलिसी कितने का लेना चाहिए? क्या 2 लाख का पॉलिसी सफिशिएंट है या 5 लाख का या 10 लाख का? नाउ व्हाट डिसाइड्स दैट? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हाउ मच डू यू अफोर्ड. इफ यू buy a policy of 10 lakhs, the premium is going to be high. If you buy a policy of 5 lakhs, the premium will be less. So it all depends on how much you afford. If you afford, you should go for a higher sum insured. Now here one more factor to consider कि आप कौन से शहर में रह रहे हैं. अगर आप छोटे शहर में रह रहे हैं तो आपकी पॉलिसी एक छोटे अमाउंट के लिए सफिशिएंट है. But if you are staying in a metro, then you must buy a policy with higher sum insured. If you ask me a thumb rule, then you must buy a policy more than 5 lakh. Any policy with sum insured less than 5 lakh is not sufficient considering the way the cost of medical treatment in India is going up. And if you are staying in a metro and you have a family of 4, then you must buy a policy of 10 lakhs. This is a thumb rule which you must follow. Friends, these are certain things you must know about a medical insurance policy. If you are a beginner, you must watch our series of 12 videos for beginners like you. They will be of immense help to you. For more such information, you must share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.